you directly from the joyful neighborhood of Jubilee. This is our wellness series. Throughout the entire month of August, I can assure you that on this channel, you're in the right place at the right time. Yeah. There are a ton of benefits for residents living in the Jubilee community, from lifestyle benefits to wellness to health and so much more. And this month, we're walking you through all of it. We're going to give you a drive-through of the community. We're going to show you each of the builders and their model homes and floor plans and buyer incentives and on and on and on to the break of dawn. So whatever you do, make sure you keep it locked here so you don't miss a thing. Take a look at what we have coming up for you in future videos this month. Ready to explore Jubilee with me? Click here to get started.